We hope you all let me now join us. Shimmering tinsel, bringing it up. You can put your song into Hawaiian Santa. Hawaiian Santa is a sight to see. To Waikiki, he wears around on a big old cruise, singing Merry Christmas, wave to you. A white Santa with a great big hat, finds the window into your grass shack. He'll dance the hoop around the Christmas tree, leaving a lot of presents for you and for me. Soft toys are playing, Christmas songs fill the tropic sky. Cocoa palms are swaying, Santa's here in paradise. While Santa goes around the eye, loves the hookah with the greatest smile. He wears a bolo with Christmas cheer, beckoning buck up, happy New Year. Sight to see, when he goes circling into Waikiki. He wears them all around his big old pool, singing Merry Christmas, waving to you. Go! Like Santa in a great big hat, finds a window into your grass shack. And that's the hula of the Christmas tree, leaving around presents for you and for me. So guitars are playing, Christmas songs fill the tropic sky. Oh, palms are swaying, Santa's here in paradise. Oh, while Santa goes around the eye, he does the hula with the greatest smile. He waves a bolo with the Christmas cheer. Melody Baka, Happy New Year. Melody Baka, Happy New Year.
Wow, big applause for the Hello Waikiki as well. Home. Lots more great things here to get going after the we got Michael on the football.